In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to use the button loading widget and how to avoid a common issue associated with it. First, I will use the upload widget and set the required variables to the widget. Then I will use the button loading widget and link its loading property to a local variable . And create a screen action to handle the on-click event of the button loading. In the action flow, I will set the loading property of the button to true. I will drag an existing server action to upload the file, and I will assign the input parameters. Then I will do an assignment to set the loading property to false. Then I will publish the application. Now, supposing that we have a slow internet connection, I'm going to select a big file to upload and click on the upload button, and then simulate an issue with the internet while loading the file. And you can see we get a connection error, but notice the loading hasn't stopped. To fix this, we simply go to the server action that triggers the loading and add an exception handler. Then add an assignment to set the loading to false. And then we end the flow with another exception with passing the same message. We publish the application and repeat the same steps to load the file and to stop the connection.